You're a lawyer. You're out there fighting for your clients, and we love that about you. At Back Office Betties, we partner with lawyers just like you to answer the phones when you can't. Now, I want to share with you a very personal story to me that really fuels my why behind why I'm so militant with my team about hiring the absolute best. We'll only hire people with a real heart and passion for service, and we train constantly on how to better serve law firms. So, someone very close to me many years ago was in the service, met a sweetheart, got married, had kids. She stayed in the service while he went on to get a master's to become a teacher and stayed at home with their children. They lived far away from his family, and so being wife of the year, she offered to send him home on a vacation, a break from the kids, and to spend time with family. While there, he got a text that was not meant for him, and it uncovered that she had been having an affair with her commanding officer. Naturally upset, he said he'd be coming home right away so they can kind of hash things out, figure out what they're going to do. By the time he arrived, he came home to an empty house. She wouldn't take his calls. The children are missing. There's nothing in their apartment. So he calls the base, and the base said they were expecting his call. His wife had already told the base that he was having a mental breakdown and a fit of paranoia and accusing her of an affair, and that she was scared for her life, and so they were helping to kind of keep her shielded from him. He needed an attorney. He's in a land where he has no family, no friends, no support. He was devastated, and he'd been the primary caretaker of his children as well. So you can just imagine his entire life was crumbling, and he needed an attorney. I offered to help. We started calling around to attorneys, and it was sad the amount of apathy we were met with from receptionists. Generally, they quoted how much it would be for a consultation. They didn't ask any questions about the case. They gave zero assurances that they even had the skill set to handle a military divorce, and really inspired zero confidence. The experience was so awful, and while this kind of thing may be old hat for a family lawyer, it's not old hat to the client who's experiencing it for the first time. When they're devastated, they're at their lowest point in life, and a little bit of empathy would have gone a long way. Even some assurances by asking a few questions about the case to make sure that this was a case that the firm could take, or confirming that yes, we absolutely handle military divorce. Any kind of assurance like that would have gone a long way. And I shared that story with my team and with you to know that everything we do is to make sure that that experience never happens again, not for someone that's working with us. When a lawyer partners with Back Office Betties, they can be assured that their receptionist is going to answer the phone with the same amount of heart that they give their own clients. Nothing less will be tolerated. Nothing less is permissible. So at Back Office Betties, we're the partner at your firm with heart, who's always here for you, ready to support you, and be there for your clients when you can't.